We must admit, because crime is happening within our ranks. I must admit that. Really, there is. Otherwise, walang breakdown. Talagang tightly knit yung very tight yung ating discipline. Wala mangyayari gano'n. So since may nangyayari gano'n, there is very breakdown. For me.
And follow-up question, I understand President Duterte asked you to review all the records of reinstated policemen. Can you know what have you done so far?
Bago ko naman, kagabi yun, na-stress na madali ayaw binigay instruction na yun. Hindi mo na patulogin, may mga
And sir, what do you intend to do?
Yun, maganda. That's more chipping-friendly questions. What do I intend to do? I have given instructions already, so far, since last time. I've given instructions to the LDM, to our IAS, to our DPRM, to consolidate the efforts in order to come up with a list of all these scalawags in uniform na na-reinstate. Dahil nga, kahit na nahulid up yan, nahulid up ng utong, ng ngipin, ng ngibdang, papatayin na nila yung oras pagkatapos at appeal sa RAB. Ito naman RAB, hindi ko naman nila lahat. Hindi ko nila lahat. But ako po,